Elon Reeve Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. From a young age, he showed an aptitude for technology and entrepreneurship. Musk taught himself computer programming and developed an early interest in science. Later, he moved to Canada to attend Queen's University and subsequently transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, where he earned dual bachelor's degrees in physics and economics. Elon Musk's entrepreneurial journey began with the co-founding of Zip2, a software company that provided business directories and maps for newspapers. After its sale, he co-founded X.com, an online payment company that eventually became PayPal, revolutionizing digital transactions worldwide. In 2002, Musk founded SpaceX with the ambitious goal of reducing space travel costs and enabling the colonization of Mars. Under his leadership, SpaceX has achieved several historic milestones, including launching the Falcon series of rockets and developing reusable rocket technology. The company continues to push the boundaries of space exploration with projects like Starship. Tesla, Inc. Musk is perhaps best known as the CEO of Tesla, Inc., a company that has transformed the automotive industry by producing high-performance electric vehicles. Tesla's innovations in battery technology, autonomous driving, and renewable energy solutions have positioned it as a leader in sustainable transportation. Solar City, founded to promote the use of solar energy and reduce reliance on fossil fuels, Solar City has become a key player in the renewable energy sector. The Boring Company. This venture focuses on reducing urban traffic congestion by constructing underground transportation tunnels. Neuralink. Aiming to develop brain-machine interfaces, Neuralink seeks to integrate human cognition with advanced technology to address neurological conditions and enhance human capabilities. OpenAI. Although Musk is no longer directly involved, he was a co-founder of OpenAI, an organization dedicated to ensuring that artificial general intelligence benefits humanity. Vision for the future. Musk envisions a future where humanity becomes a multi-planetary species, relying on sustainable energy and advanced technology to overcome global challenges. His work at SpaceX and Tesla reflects his commitment to innovation and progress, aiming to reshape industries and extend human presence beyond Earth. Elon Musk has reshaped numerous industries, from space exploration to electric vehicles, and continues to influence the global landscape of technology and business. His bold vision, relentless drive, and willingness to take risks have made him one of the most influential and controversial figures of our time. Elon Musk's legacy is defined by his transformative impact on technology, transportation, and energy. As he continues to pursue ambitious projects and push the boundaries of what is possible, Musk remains a central figure in the quest for a sustainable and interplanetary future for humanity.